Good morning, December 19. Okay, before tayo magbaklas ng mga ibang bed, video recorded muna yung gawin natin. Top-down analysis, using our top-down analysis, we are still on a bullish market, on monthly time frame. So we have established our support and resistance. This is our resistance, this is our support. Ignore na muna natin to kasi masyadong malayo. Price is moving between this range of resistance and support. But although the market is bullish on the monthly time frame, we have to consider lower time frame like weekly. On a weekly, so nagkaroon ng correction, and then another rally, and at the moment, price is approaching the all-time high. The all-time high is the 12 months, based on the 12 months. So, medyo significant resistance ito. And when the price is approaching a significant resistance, like the 12 months or all-time high, magre-react. And as you can see, for the past 5 days, nagkakaroon ng rejection yung sellers. Yan. But looking at the weekly, last week, bullish pa rin siya. Okay. Again, so we have set our weekly low and weekly high sa last week. But still, price is moving between this support and this all-time high. No? Approaching yung high ng November, na-break niya. Diba? Na-break niya. And the body of the candlestick is more than 50%. Or 50% at least. So there's a possibility that this breakout is a good breakout. But 50-50 is something na medyo, sabi nga, medyo questionable. No? And as you can see, naka-trade ako ng buy, ng sell, wherein bullish ang pinag-uusapan natin. So, bakit kaya naka-sell ako? No. Yan. So, ikuan muna natin to, Control T, para buong kuan ay makikita. So, let us go to daily. Sa daily, using our established support and resistance, ito yung all-time high. Ito yung November high. So, ito ngayon yung price. Last week, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So, that's the good thing about isang pairs lang yung ina-analyze mo. You're able to remember, for example, ito yung low ng week last week, and this is the high. So, last Monday, ito yung high. Tuesday, Wednesday, kahapon, and nag-reject. So, ito naman yung low nung Monday, low nung Tuesday, low nung high, and as you can see, walang direction. So, walang direction sideways. So, it is somehow consolidating. But, nothing is so sure kung saan siya pupunta. No? Ang tanong, ba't ako nag-sell? Ayan. Ito ako nag-sell. So, looking at this candlestick, and this is now all-time high. So, may rejection kagabi. From this candlestick, parang hindi niya na-sustain yung bullish, pagka-bullish. Diba? So, and at the same time, possible na ito ay another, another top. So, yung tinatawag nating double top o triple top. Yan. So, when you say double top or triple top on a daily time frame, so possible na a sign of reversal. But this is just a sign of reversal. Looking at the market structure and pa rin siya. So, medyo nag-sideways dito. So, possible na ito ngayon is high. No? Higher high. So, possible it will create a low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Pwede yan. And as you can see dito, nagkaroon ng breakout from this resistance. This is previously the monthly high ng November. So, resistance, napakatagal, di ba? Then, bin-break out niya. Possible, balikan niya yan. Possible yan. And, ito, pag pinagkumpara mo to, this is still higher high, higher low. So, andun pa rin yung trend ng uptrend. So, ano to ngayon? Possible correction. Okay? And that is daily. So, ibig sabihin, looking at this candlestick, may rejection, and then possible ito. And then looking at this fair value gap or unfilled orders, and this is somehow a sideways breakout and a possible good pullback. Yun nga lang, pag maliit yung capital mo, what you need to do is in and out ka lang, in and out. And at the same time ako, pag may ginagawa ako, I always make it a point na talagang hindi ako naglalaki ng lot size, nagdadami ng kwan, para hindi ka masyadong out of focus dun sa isa mong ginagawa. Someone told me to wear my safety kwan. Yes, good. And meron naman, kaya nga lang, very minimal. And presence of mind lagi naman sa pagtatrabaho. And anyway, thank you sa pagre-remind. Nagtanong kanina, tama ba yung ginawa ko? Nakabuy siya wherein nakasell ako. So, we cannot really say that when you do something, nag-buy yung isang kasama mo. Kasi baka mamaya, ang time frame niya is lower time frame. Pwede naman talaga. Lalo na kung ang target mo is maliit lang. But what I'm doing is, tinatarget ko dito. So, looking at the daily, bearish. Yan. So, ayan ngayon, makikita mo, very solid pa rin. What I can do is, ang ginagawa ko dyan, pag ganyan, medyo ina-adjust ko yung TP. Kasi bakit? Medyo, parang nakikita ko, medyo solid. And then, i-adjust mo ngayon yung stop loss mo. So, sa break even. Or, you can just simply close your tawag dito, close your position. Ayan. Pwedeng ganon. Ayan. So, next swing low is ito. Ito pala yung next swing low. So, masyadong malayo yung adjust ko. So, medyo pwedeng ilagay ko dito. Ayan. Ayan. Mag-line chart ako for the swing low. Yun. So, possible kasi na, since meron tayo kasi mga liquidity sweep, this is the support talaga. Pero usually, yung market ngayon, they do liquidity sweep bago siya mag-retrace. Okay. And again, ito pa yung significant swing low. Ito yung pinaka-significant swing low. Pwede yan talaga makarating pa rito. The price now moves from my entry, ayan, ng ilang pips yan. For example, 895. Oops, masyadong malapit pa yung kon ko. Minsan baka ma-stop out pa yan. Sayang din. So, this is not a logical. Talagang dito pa yan dapat. Dito pa talaga yan. Kasi let the market breathe. Ganun nga, sabi nga. Kasi kung tutingnan mo yung daily, ayan, daily, this is really bearish, parang gano'n. So, daily to, ayun yung pinaka-strong support. Ayan. Kaya lang, pag nilapit ko, katulad ng ginawa ko, baka ma-stop out ako ng masyadong maaga. Sayang naman yung position natin. Total, minimal lang naman yung kwan ko. Minimal lang naman yung aking kwan. Lot size, kaya hindi ka ninervisin. At the same time, nag-cross na siya dito sa another support na yan. This support now becomes a resistance, lalo na kung mag-close dito yung price mamaya. Yan. Ngayon, kung nilagay ko rito yung stop loss ko, in-adjust ko kanina, possible mag-retrace, may stop out ako, tapos bababa. Sayang yung trade. So, sabi ko nga, what are the criteria? Pinaka main criteria ko, itong daily. So, the direction is bearish. Then I go to 4 hours. So, may rejection, of course, may rejection. Yan. Kaya, possible na balikan niya yan. Then, let's see. Ngayon, to be safe, halimbawa, aalis ka. Sukatin natin ito. This is 219. Sabihin na nating ito ngayon, tumaas siya. Yan. Tapos bumalik uli. As pullback, So, bumaas, pullback. So, kung susukatin ko from here to here, yan. $100. So, sabihin na natin, ilagay natin ng Control T. Yan. Diba, may pupuntahan ka. So, trailing stop. Sabihin na natin na ayaw natin masyadong malapit. Lagyan natin ng trailing stop, 150 pips or 1,500. So, that is considered as 150 pips. Ibig sabihin yan, pag itong price na to, umangat ng more than 150 or 150, the trailing stop or the stop, a-adjust kusa. Umangat habang umaangat yan at hindi pa tinatamaan to, susunod lang yung trailing stop mo for safety ng iyong profit. Yun nga lang, pag bumalik, liliit din yung kita mo. Pero once na hit ito, mas malaki yung kita mo. Bakit 150? Ba't hindi natin 50? Baka hindi makahinga yung market dun sa sobrang lapit na stop loss. That is the reason kung bakit 150. Or you can set 100. Pwede rin. Or you can wait for the price na bumalik. Pagbalik diyan, katulad kanina nito, yan. Ito. Yan. So, breakout, bumalik. Actually, nakabalik na pala. Ayan, nakabalik na pala. So, sukatin natin ito. Ayan. Sensya na, medyo apurahan yung video natin at may ginagawa. So, 83. So, we can set now our trailing stop. Instead of 150, dahil nag-pullback na pala, we can set our trailing stop into 100 or lalagay natin dito 1,000. So, may trailing stop na tong una. Pangalawa naman, lagyan natin. Another 1,000 or 100. 100 yan. Drop kasi yung kwan. Yung last digit. So, ibig sabihin, every time natataas yan ng 100, susunod itong stop loss to secure your profit or to break even yung position mo at 100 pips. No. Kung kanina natin nilagay yan, kanina pa nag-adjust. Pero ngayon lang natin nilagay. So, ihintayin ngayon ni trailing stop na ito ay maging 100 bago yan sumunod. Yung susunod naman, ganun din. Pag nag-100 na, susunod yung trailing stop niya or stop loss niya. Either tamaan siya or tamaan yung TP mo. Siyempre, pag tinamaan yung stop loss mo, bababa yung win mo. Pag tinamaan yung TP mo, so win ka na mas malaki. So that is our criteria. 1, look for the daily bias. 1 hour, still nag-break out from this support. And then, lower time frame, ayan. So, pagka-pullback, ayun. Ito na halos yung, di ba, pullback. Ito yung pullback niya. Pumasok na ako dito. So, those are my simple criteria. And then, let's see. Wala naman sigurado. Kaya, meron tayong stop loss. And then, we put stop loss, trailing stop. Para kung may gagawin ako, merong action yung chart ko pagka nagwi-win na siya o kung maglulus man siya. Okay? Good day and good luck to your trading. Meron tayong 3 video na ginawa last Saturday about single candlestick. Nandun din sa playlist yun. Panoorin yun. Single candlestick and combination of candlestick. And then support and resistance. Ginawa ko yon last Saturday. Sa mga new joiners, balikan nyo yun para masundan nyo yung iba nating mga daily analysis. And every daily analysis natin nando sa playlist ng Polaris TV. Dalawang playlist yun. Isang playlist ng daily analysis. And for new joiners, meron din naman doon na beginner's guide. So, we're working on our place for the face-to-face, but there are requirements para maka-attend kayo ng face-to-face. First, you have to attend Zoom and finish the playlist ng new beginner's guide. Bakit? Kasi kung attend kayo ng Zoom, attend kayo ng face-to-face, and you don't even understand paano mag-register, what is MT4 or MT5, so basic na basics that you could learn do sa playlist natin, masyadong magiging matagal. Our face-to-face is direct to the point, kaya ito ay 3 days lang, 3 days. And please, start funding your account, kasi kung talagang decided kayo, at attend kayo ng face-to-face, tapos nagtitrade kayo sa ibang broker, medyo unfair naman para sa ating lahat. Unfair sa inyo, unfair din sa amin. Okay? And thank you very much.